Guys, this is your Ghost Rider. Yes, today I'm going to explain my secret of strategy. Okay, don't skip this video, guys. I will explain one by one how I take this trade. Okay, guys, I will explain. Okay, let's. Okay, first of all, we must check the week chart. But the week chart market always bullish trend. That's why we have to looking for buy. Yeah, at the same time, and now market structure, we can check the market structure to do like mini trend, just do like this. Yeah, it's mean market is still bullish trend. That's why we have to wait for the I'm always saying I will wait for the LTF confirmation. I will explain one by one how I wait trade and how I explore the trade, and I will explain one by one, guys. Don't skip this video. If you want more details, just join with our Telegram channel, guys. Okay, then now we can check that we have very big demand zones here, and the same time already demand zone mitigated this zone. And yeah, now we got very nice bullish trend. See, very nice bullish trend here. And now market still making some bull market, but now you can see, you can manually check here. There is a very nice liquidity here. See, the liquidity. These are the liquidity, and at the same time we have one of the imbalance also here. That's why everyone will buy here, because normally we can understand it. It's a common sense. So everyone will buy here. Market will manipulate this zone, and after that it will give some bullish BOS like here, like this. Then we can get some point of interest here like this. Then we have to know the market condition. What is the market condition? How we can get this? And if we just move like this, and if we get the strong BOSs here, then we can go for buy. Or else, if it is get like, if you move like this, we can go for sell. But at the same time, we want to sell here. We have to get more confirmations, like we need some scotch, like change of character. That's it. That's the main thing, scotch we need. Then only we can go for sell. But personally, I never sell this time, because market is still high time frames bullish trend. That's why I'm always looking for buy. This is my strategy, guys. This is my one of the strategy. We have another strategy also, FVG setup, and mark here. That's a FVC setup base. It's a base. Okay, yeah, it's a base we can catch from here. That's called FVG setup, and we can catch this flip zone. That's a different type of setups. I will explain one by one. Just subscribe my channel, guys. Don't forget about it. Okay, guys, subscribe and join with our Telegram. We want more details about it. At the same time, you can check my previous setups and all those things, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Ghost Rider.